Today I'm at Silverstone Technology Park and I'm stood inside the brand new facility for the Digital Manufacturing Centre. With me is Nigel Robinson, COO of the DMC, and I'm really pleased to announce that we're their new exclusive recruitment partner. We're working with the DMC to help them grow their team, and we'll be supporting them in recruiting a number of additive manufacturing engineers and personnel to help them on their exciting growth plans. So Nigel, what an exciting time to be involved with this business.
Absolutely. I've been in the additive manufacturing industry for the last 7 years, and for me it's a privilege and an honour to be part of the journey of the DMC. We're going to be positively disrupting the industry to give finished components, but by doing that, applying engineering and application techniques to maximise the AM potential.
So personally, I'm really looking forward to working with Nigel and with Kieran. Nigel, what made you choose Hernshead as your recruitment partner?
I just like the approach that Hernshead have. It's not like a traditional recruitment company. It's very much part of the team and part of our culture. At the end of the day, that's what it's all about, is to create that team and create that culture. We're just a few metres away from the actual Silverstone racing circuit, where a lot of individual drivers have done impressive performances. However, it's the team behind them that has made and enabled that, and Hernshead has helped us and will be helping us create that team, create that culture where we win as a team, we lose as a team, but we'll always get better.
If you're interested in opportunities at the DMC, then please get in touch. You can visit our website, hernshead.co.uk, or you can email dmc@hernshead.co.uk. We look forward to hearing from you and telling you more about the exciting opportunities.